908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I got a limiter. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
Right now on gsgjewelry.net, we got a 25% off going on right now on all chains, earrings, and women collections. All earrings, chains, and women collection, you can go right now and get 25% off. That'll come off automatically at the end of checkout. Even at the end of checkout, we got Klarna, where you can break your payments up into 4 payments. Or if your credit is good, you know what I mean, they'll let you pay on it once a month. You feel me? You heard. Go right now to gsgjewelry.net and use your 25% off automatically at checkout for any earrings, chains, or anything from the women's collection. You know what I mean? Get him a chain, get her some earrings. You know what I mean? Take advantage of this Valentine's Day sale up until the week of Valentine's Day. You know what I mean? Go take advantage right now on www.gsgjewelry.net. Once again, www.gsgjewelry.net. 25% off on all chains, earrings, and anything from the women's collection. You know what I mean? For Valentine's Day up until the week of Valentine's Day. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. Let me shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male, alpha females in the building. You feel me? You heard what I got here for y'all today is another banger pendant by Harlem Bling. You feel me? Harlem Bling. It's just a moissanite pendant. You know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, www.gsgjewelry.net has a 25% off right now for Valentine's Day. Go get your earrings. Go get our new color stone earrings. You know what I mean? 1 carat or 2 carat a pair. You feel me? Go check that out. You know what I mean? Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget about the giveaway. Get me up to my 2,000 subscriber rate so I can start giving that stuff away. You know what I mean? Comment in the comment box what you want in that video. You know what I mean? You got to be a subscriber and subscribe to my Instagram. You know what I mean? So without further ado, you know what I mean? Promote your boy and let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D, GSG with GSG Reviews. Like I said in the intro, what we got here for y'all today is another banger, you know what I'm saying, by Harlem Bling. So without further ado, let's get right to it. You feel me? You heard? Okay, so as you can see, man, it's a small pendant, you know what I'm saying? So this is the box it comes in. I'm saying, small little box. Can't knock it. It is what it is. It's just a little box, right? So boom, nothing too crazy about the box. But why do you need something crazy when it's just a small pendant? Comes in this plastic. You know what I'm saying? You already know, plastic beater, plastic beater. Plastic always gonna be the ops, but it is what it is. As I always say, man, you know what I'm saying? Essentially, it's for the protection of the piece itself. So let's get right into it. If I could open it up. Sorry for the struggles, but it is what it is. Hold on, give me 1 second. Sorry to have y'all holding, seeing nothing. Okay, that wasn't that bad. You know what I'm saying? Let's get right to it. Bam. Here goes the angel pendant. Now, I had an angel pendant in the past, but it was silver. You know what I'm saying? This is silver, gold plated. And this is known to be moissanite. Now, y'all let me know what y'all think of this thing, man. I like it. I got another one because my other one broke. You know, I don't know if, you know, it was just horseplay or whatever, but this part of my last angel pendant just broke off. And that was one of my favorite pendants. I did wear it every day. And, you know, it held up, you know what I'm saying, outside of this part. But this one is different. You know what I'm saying? This is gold plated over silver. You know what I'm saying? While we doing that now, let's look for the stamp. And bang, there it goes. Bam. There goes the stamp for 925 solid silver. As you can see, like I said, it's gold plated. It's small. Let me give you a size comparison in my hand. That's how small it is. You know what I mean? You can't knock it, man. And these stones are known to be moissanite. You feel me? You heard? You know what I mean? So, if you stay to the end of the video, I will diamond test to verify that it is moissanite. I will have a around the neck view so you can see how it looks on me. You know what I mean? This pendant right here, because I know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. And I will have a shine test at the end of the video if you stay tuned. Stay tuned to the end of the video. You will see how it looks on me. Diamond test, shine test, and we will weigh it. You feel me? You heard? So, yeah, this is how it looks. Moissanite angel pendant. I know what y'all want to know. It looks crazy. How much is that thing, man? On site right now at standard sale, it is about 84 bucks or 82 bucks. I forget. I'll put it on the screen. But roughly around 80 bucks. Not bad for it to be solid silver and real moissanite, you know what I mean? That's how much it costs. But you already know you could use Harlem 20 for 20% off. And they have other deals, you know what I'm saying? I didn't pay $80 or $84 or whatever it was because they always got some type of deal going on for the holidays, or you could use Harlem 20 for 20% off. You feel me? So y'all let me know what y'all think of this thing, man. This is how the front looks. I think this even moissanites on the bell. Look on the back of it. This is how the back looks. It's a little bit hollow, but it doesn't look terrible. It feels not cheap at all. Can't complain. Can't knock it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Harlem Bling, man. Holla at your boy, man. I've been a supporter. Y'all let me know what's going on, what y'all feel about this thing. You know what I mean? Not much more I can say about this thing, man. 1, 2, 3. We out! What I got here for y'all right now is on the neck. This is a 24-inch small Cuban with the angel pendant on the neck. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. If y'all like this, if this is something y'all will rock. This is something I probably would stack with a smaller chain on something else. But, you know, y'all let me know what y'all think about this, man. This is on the neck view. What I got here for y'all right now is just a weigh. We're weighing the product. It's about 8 grams. Let's do it again just to verify. 8 grams. We're going to do it one more time just to make sure. Drop it on that weigh scale, you know what I mean? 8 grams. What I got here for y'all right now is the shine test, man. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. If those moissanites is shining enough for y'all. So, yeah, that's what this is, man. The shine test. What I got here for y'all right now is the diamond test. It passes on my regular diamond test, as you can see. So that's a clear indication that it is moissanite. But as you see in the next clip, I did have a problem trying to get it to pass on my moissanite tester. I don't know if it's the tester or the way I was holding it. But I will verify that when I did it outside of camera view, you know, because it's hard to hit these stones, that it did pass as moissanite. So, you know, obviously you got nothing to worry about. Like, comment, subscribe. So 1, 2, 3, I'm officially out.